Decision making is integral to managers. A hotel operations manager needs to take decisions on an everyday basis. Many of these decisions will be major ones, both financial and non-financial. The funnel principle of decision making applies universal laws which make your decisions sound and grounded in solid, factual information. Assume you have a funnel for decision making. You have the top of the funnel, the neck of the funnel, and the base of the funnel. The top of the funnel is the widest part. Let us call it the big picture. Then you descend to the neck of the funnel, which we will call the surface. Finally, we go to the base of the funnel. This is the hotel operation. Let us now assign elements of the decision-making process to this funnel. The big picture, which is the widest part of the funnel, can be called the effect. It is what you see overall. Descending down to the neck of the funnel, which we call the surface, in decision-making terms, this is the symptom. Finally, the base of the funnel, which we call the operation, is in decision-making terms the most important. It is the cause. In decision-making, the effect and symptoms are not the most important. It is the cause. Now comes the most interesting part of the video. Let us now assign our financial statements which we use for decision making to this funnel. So the big picture, which is the effect, is the profit and loss statement. This is what we read every month. Next, down the funnel to the neck, which we call the surface, and the symptom are the variances from budget and forecast. These are mere indicators, which is what symptoms tend to be. Finally, the base of the funnel, which we identified as the operation and which is the cause, is the actual analysis done, for example, a break-even point and so on. So, if we use the funnel approach to taking financial and other decisions in the hotel operation, our decision making must be focused on the cause, which is the operation. You can call this the zone of opportunity. Let me now recap what we have learned here. You need to regularly ask some questions of yourself. Are you taking decisions erroneously on the basis of the effect, just what you see in the P&L? Worse, are you taking decisions merely on the basis of a symptom, the variances, which are only indicators? Both of these are not right. You should be taking decisions purely based on what is causing a problem for which you need to go back to the hotel operation. That is where the cause is. It is the cause which is king.